Ice, homeboy, clear ice. Woo! Okay, guys, we got this New Year's Eve Jamaican Me Happy punch. We starting off with some rum.
Like a waterfall.
Look at clear ice is. Look how beautiful that is. Now we gonna follow that with an entire case, homeboy, of Jamaican Me Happy. Seagram's Escapes. It's my favorite flavor. 8. Ah! 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 Come on, Sky, hold it. Come on. Come on. You could do it. You could do it. We coming over the top with some bubbly. You need champagne. It's New Year's Eve. Will it overflow? Will it overflow?
Perfect.
Guys, let me get some fruits in here. We get some strawberries in this bad boy. Oh my goodness. I like how pretty this is. This is a really pretty bunch. Watermelon. And see, if you look, right, you have watermelon and strawberries in there. We get some of this out of here. Oh yeah. Dude, I love the color too. This nice little
Pretty.
light pink. Yeah, everything with this punch is so much fun. And there you have it! The Jamaican Me Happy New Year's Eve punch! Guys, the beauty of Jamaican Me Happy is it's 3.2%, so you could drink it as is, but I really love it as a mixer because it's tropical, it's fun. You got the strawberry, lemon, watermelon, and guava. Good flavors to go. As always, drink responsibly, don't drink and drive, and may 2021 be way better than 2020. Later, I hope so.